Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send documents on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application. Then you click on whoever you wish to send this document to. You click on the plus sign, which is the first icon below, and then you click on document. Here you select the document you wish to send, and then you click on open, which is at the top right. After that, you click on the share icon, which is at the below right. The second way to do this is to search for Files app, and then you click on the document you wish to send. You click on the share icon, which is below at the left hand side, and then you click on WhatsApp icon. Then you search for who you wish to send it to. You click on the person's info, and then you click on next. After that, you click on the share icon, which is at the right icon below, and the document will be sent to the person. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.